This video is on the topic of sex linkage. In normal autosomal inheritance, the two homologous chromosomes that are inherited from each parent are essentially identical and have all the same genes. The only differences are the types of alleles present. This is the same for females and the X chromosome. They are homologous and exhibit normal inheritance, where dominant alleles are always expressed, and there must be two recessive alleles in order for them to be expressed. However, the Y chromosome is both unique and unusual. It is much smaller in size compared to the X chromosome and does not share all the same genes. Instead, the X chromosome has a large section which is non-homologous. Because there are no other alleles for these genes, it means that the alleles in this region of the X chromosome are always expressed in males, regardless of whether they are dominant or recessive. This means that certain characteristics are more common in one sex than the other. This is called sex linkage. When notating normal inheritance, we tend to use capital letters to denote the dominant allele and the same letters lowercase version for the recessive allele. This is slightly different for a sex-linked trait. Instead, we use capital X and Y letters to represent the chromosomes. The X then has superscript letters which represent the allele they possess, capital for dominant and lowercase for recessive. The Y, however, does not have any superscript letters. This is because they do not possess the gene on the chromosome. When identifying which allele is expressed, you use the X chromosome allele only. Red-green color blindness is an example of a sex-linked characteristic. It is caused by a change within the pigment proteins in the cone cells of the retina that prevent them from perceiving certain wavelengths of light. This image is a test that can be done to detect a red-green color blindness. If the number looks like 74, then there is normal color vision. People with red-green color blindness see the number 21. The gene that codes for this protein is located in the non-homologous region of the X chromosome and is therefore sex-linked. For the sake of simplicity for the rest of this video, I'll refer to it as color blindness. But it is important to remember that there are lots of different types of color blindness, and red-green is just one type. Let's take an example of a homozygous dominant mother with normal color vision and a father with color blindness. The genotype of the mother is XRXR, whereas the father is XRY. Once the Punnett square is completed, we can see that the outcome of the cross is 50% heterozygous carrier females and 50% non-colorblind males. When asked in an exam to state the phenotypes of the offspring, or the ratio of phenotypes, you must make sure to state which offspring are male and which are female, as well as stating information about the phenotype linked to the characteristic, in this case color blindness. Note that it is impossible for males to be carriers of the color blindness allele. Here is a type of exam question you may get asked on this topic. We've got two parents. The mother is heterozygous and the father does not have color blindness. We can start by drawing a Punnett square and filling in the parental genotypes onto the grid. The next step is to complete the grid with the potential children's genotypes. We can see that they have a 25% chance of having a homozygous dominant daughter, a 25% chance of a heterozygous carrier daughter, a 25% chance of a non-colorblind son, and a 25% chance of having a colorblind son. The answer to the question is 25%. It is useful to take note here of why color blindness is much more common in males than females. In summary, Sex linkage occurs when the gene responsible for a characteristic is located on a sex chromosome in the non-homologous region. This makes the characteristic more common in one sex than the other. Red-green colour blindness is an example of a sex-linked characteristic. Don't forget to check out all our other fantastic revision resources here at Save My Exams.